My name is James Robinson. I'm an MSD teacher in the Ohio County School System. I'm going to speak briefly today on Class Dojo. Class Dojo offers teachers a lot of benefits, particularly in classroom management. It allows you to create as many groups or classes as you would like. You can speak in real time with your students, either individually or collectively, and you can speak to your parents in real time or collectively. You can see that my three groups right now are Running Club, that I'm a co-sponsor of, MSD Classroom. Now I'll change the picture and the name of this classroom when school starts in a couple of weeks. Demo class that you can access yourself by going through teach.classdojo.com, where you can experience and experiment with different types of tools and things that the Class Dojo allows you to do. And we collectively have Waylon Alexander, a classroom where all the teachers can go in and add things, pictures, and post different statements of the day. Now, quickly, I'm going to go into this demo class. You can see these are familiar students' names for all of you, I'm sure. We have Leonardo, Justin, Jennifer, Denzel, Beyonce, and the whole group as a whole. At the bottom, you'll see lots of different tools. For example, the main toolkit gives you a timer. All of these things go up on the smart board so that the kids can see it. The noise meter, it evaluates if the noise is getting too much, or actually even tell you where the most noise is coming from, and lots of different things. Now, the classroom goal for the week might be, if we have 125 points collectively, we get an extra 15 minutes of class time outside for recess. And if you get 150 points individually, maybe you get 15 minutes of free time in the classroom. We can add or deduct points. Now let's just go into the whole classroom and say that everyone was participating great. We go ahead and everybody knows that they got a point because they were doing so well. We might go into Justin though and say, hey, we saw Justin throw a pencil and we deduct a point. Now you can either let the students see who's getting the points or who are getting points deducted away from them. The theory in this is that we may not say, hey, Justin, we saw you throw that pencil, but if the classroom knows that someone got deducted a point, then the hope is that they will self-correct and try to do better as a whole. You can go and see stories. I can click on Denzel's story for the day. His parents can say, they can see where I've said, great job in math today, or to the whole group that you guys are so much fun. We can go back to the demo class. You will see messages, and I can go to where that I've sent all my parents messages, or I can go to Denzel, and you can see where that I've said he's really improving his reading skills. Thank you for all your support at home, and that the parent returns a message that says, I'm so happy to hear that, and he's been really working hard. So there is so many things to talk about on Classroom Dojo that it would take literally all day, but I would just encourage you to go in there, experiment, and see all the great things that Class Dojo has in store for you.